Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to the Umm Al Qura education system e-learning. It's your English lecture. Today we are going to learn about present indefinite tense. First of all, I will tell you what is tense. The word tense refers to the time when action takes place. We are talking about, and it is defined with the help of verbs. The present indefinite tense refers to an action done in the present tense, but there is no set time frame for the actions to occur, be accomplished or be completed. Well, that's why it is called indefinite tense. The present indefinite tense, also known as simple present tense. When to use present indefinite tense? Present indefinite is used to describe action that is happening right now or that happens regularly or routinely. For example, I work hard. We eat mangoes. They go to school. Structure of simple sentence. When we build any sentence, there is subject plus verb plus object. Helping verbs. When we are forming a tense, first thing that comes to our mind is helping verb. So we use do and does with present indefinite tense. We use do with I, we, they and plural. Does. We use does with he, she, it or singular. Forming the present indefinite tense. In affirmative sentences, we add firstly subject plus first form of verb plus object. It is a simple sentence. For example, he goes to club. In negative sentence, subject plus do and does with not. We use do not or does not plus first form of verb plus object. For example, he does not go to club. In interrogative sentences, firstly we will write do or does plus subject plus first form of verb plus object, and at last we will put a question mark at the end of interrogative sentences. For example, does he go to school? Subject I, we, you, they plus plural plus first form of verb plus object. For example, I read the newspaper. We read good books. You run every day. They play games. 4 boys play in the ground. Subject he, she, it singular plus first form of verb. We will write s and es plus object. For example, he reads good books. She talks. It rains. Ahmed goes to school. In negative sentences, firstly we will write subject plus I, we, you, they plus plural. We will add do not plus first form of verb plus object. In negative sentences, we will write subject with he, she, it or singular plus does not. We will use does not with he, she, it or singular plus first form of verb plus object. For example, I go. When we convert it into a negative sentence, we write I don't go. Now he goes. Now we will convert it into a negative sentence. We will write he does not goes. In interrogative sentences, firstly we will write do or does plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. For example, do I go? Does he go? Do you read? Does she sleep? Thank you for watching.